Hi, just a quick recap on Edmentum. So this is the home page. When you sign in, over here you can access the learning path. Remember, it's 30 minutes on reading learning path, 30 minutes on language arts learning path, and 30 minutes on reading learning path. And you can monitor progress by looking at rewards earned. These are the three challenges that are going on right now. Language arts 30 minutes, so it monitors and keeps track of active learning path time. Math 30, so the student has done 5 minutes, good job already, of math learning path for this week. And then the reading learning path, so it keeps track of the actual time spent on the learning path. And then so that's one part of Edmentum, and then you have the teacher assigned assignments. And due next week, there's 4 assignments. The student has already been working on their learning path this morning, or I'm sorry, on their assignments this morning as well as their learning path. So this is, it says due next week, and it's like that orangey color. If there's overdue assignments, if something wasn't completed the week before, it'll pop up on the screen, but it'll have like the hot pink heading. And then you would just click on this arrow here and get to this due next week page, excuse me, which has the current work. And then if you click over here, it shows completed work. And you can see how your child is doing on assignment. So if I want to click the review, it'll tell me what score they got on the practice and what score they got on the quiz. And then you see it's done. Now, say that they didn't do well on one, you can also monitor that through here. So I'm going to click on something else and see apple picking. So this student got an 85 on the practice and then got a 20 on the quiz. So it says locked. So the student could retake this so that it's done, and they're when they go through the whole thing, it will unlock it so they can retake the quiz. So this is where you can go to monitor how they are doing on the quizzes. If you click, say specifically here, and then you click the My Progress Report, it will also break down each part of the activity and the assignment and tell you how long they spent on it. So you can also see the time spent on task. So this is Learning Path. Now I'm going to take you over here and show you Google Classroom. So this is my view of my Google Classroom page, but it has Miss Grace, second grade. The stream is here, and then click on classwork. We have a lot more that they're going to work on through Google Classroom this week. At the top, I always put the new week. So this week, week 3, April 17th through the 23rd, has the to-do list here. I did it in the slides and in PDF, so you can open it. It's not going to let me right now with what I'm doing, but you can open it and see I did a black and white and a color copy, so you can try to print it. And then there's the math reading bar graph assignment in here. So it's assigned to every student. They would open it up and work through the slides, read everything, and then these boxes they can click right into. So directions, fill in the table with the information provided. So bake sale items. So we would do cupcakes, and then the amount of student votes. So we'd look over here, and it would be 6,246. So we'd put a 6 there for cupcakes. And so on. That's how you work that. Oops. Writing Brain Pop Junior, I put the link here, so easy access. A color poem assignment is the same thing through the slides. So they'd open that up, check out my color poem here, and then write their own and click right on the box, and it'll save it with their names. So you're looking at my page. Science, there's an epic book, so I put it right there. I assigned it to them. And then there is a Brain Pop Junior as well to build our background. Now, we're building our background on butterflies right now. And we're going to work on butterflies for the next few weeks. So this is the Google Classroom. There's going to be a link put up next week, early next week, for a Zoom meeting to be held next Thursday as well. So check in the Google Classroom, work on Learning Path, work on assignments, and have a great week. Please let me know if you have any questions.